Hey guys, it's Ishani Agarwal and today is day 8 of 100 Days of Millennial Wisdom. Today we're talking about letting it go. Nature has a funny way of teaching us lessons. We just have to be observant enough to notice them. I learned this beautiful lesson while sitting in a park today. There was this huge tree with lots of green leaves and a few brown leaves. As the wind was blowing, the green leaves were intact, but slowly and eventually the brown leaves started falling. There was this one particular brown leaf which stuck to the tree. It was just about to fall, but it didn't fall. But as the wind kept on blowing, I had my eyes on that one brown leaf, and eventually it fell. It taught me to let it go. Just as the brown leaf was holding on to the tree, knowing that its time was over and it had to go, similarly, there are a lot of things in our life which we keep on holding to, especially things from our past. A regret you might have, or an embarrassing situation which you keep on replaying in your mind, knowing that only you remember it and no one else does, or that particular incident which broke your heart, or a loss of a loved one, or any of the situation which you keep on hitting the replay button in your mind, knowing that it is time to push the stop button on it. Just let it go. If you don't let go of the brown leaves, how will the new baby green leaves erupt? In order to experience new beautiful moments in your life, you first need to make space. Just like Marie Kondo says, let it go if it does not spark joy. So anything that you're holding on to, be it emotionally in your mind, be it physically in the form of hoarding things, knowing that you won't ever use it, or if something has a memory associated to it and you're just holding on to when you should let it go, now is the time to just take a firm step and actually let it go. It's also important to let go of toxic habits. If you smoke too much, or drink too much, or overthink too much, or get angry too much, anything of too much is also an indication of letting it go. So just assess yourself and think of all the things that is holding you back in some way or the other. If I had a good voice, I would have sung that song from Frozen for you. Let it go, let it go. But I won't torture your ears. So just play that song and let it go. Only when you make space in your life, just as you have to make space in your phones and laptops so that you can put in new data, similarly, if you want new experiences, new people, new opportunities in your life, let go of the past ones. Just completely erase it off your mind if it is not helping you. If it is keeping you awake at night, or just putting you even for a second in a dull moment, just let it go. Life is too short and beautiful to be living in the past. So let go of everything that does not serve you and make space in your software and in your hardware so that new memories can be installed. So that was for day 8 on Let It Go. Please leave any suggestions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button if you want updates on my daily episodes. See you tomorrow. Bye.